What's going on, everyone? In this video we're going to be doing a price action review of yesterday's price action, the 20th of August price action on gold. Alright, now yesterday during the London session, what we had was that the bias, the fundamental bias given to us was bullish gold. Okay, so during the London session we got bullish gold. Now, having gotten the bullish gold, how do we try to get in this position, right? That's the question. So you see, if you compare the ranges here, all right, from left to right, we have an SMT divergence there, and we have an SMT divergence here. Okay, that's what, not just a normal SMT divergence, it is the SMT divergence, which is the fractal SMT divergence, right? This is the fractal SMT divergence, as you can see. And we have one more happening over here. We can see that price did this. Now these are my favorite ones to trade because it happens within the ranges, right? And you can see that price broke this range, making this the breakout candle. And if that is a breakout candle, you're looking for price to induce it, right? And this is the trade that we took yesterday. We took price from here and we rode this all the way up to 3 standard deviations of this range, which was here. So this was the easiest trade yesterday. All right, you can see price went perfectly for that. All right, how easy is that? Now this is exactly how we did it. Now if you consider the concepts used, right, if you consider the concept used, right, in my mentorship, in my one-on-one program, you will see that we're going to take an approach like this. We're taking a top-down approach, right, a top-of-funnel approach. We're going like this and we come to a conclusion, right? But if you consider everyone else, right, what they do is they take a bottom-of-funnel approach where they start like this and they end like that, and no one knows what the bloody hell to do with the information given to them, right? So with me, as you know, I'm all about making you guys profitable. So what I do is I give you all the information and then help you refine that into a usable model. All right, now what were the concepts used? Well, first of all, we used Trade Easy. Yeah, we used Trade Easy to understand fundamental bias, and then we used fractal SMT to make sure that institutions are accumulating in the direction of the fundamental bias, right? Then what did we do then? We used the breakout, or we used the inducement approach, to pinpoint the price location for entry, and then we enter. All right, and then we exit the trade at 3 standard deviations. It is as simple as that. This is exactly how this trade was taken, right? Now, if you come into live price action right now, what's going on right now, right? We can see that if you go to Trade Easy right now, all right, if you go to the dashboard, and on this dashboard, you will see that we will be having the current risk environment for every asset class there is on the dashboard. All right, you can see today's a reaccumulation day, and you can see everything is bullish. Commodities, gold is bullish, silver is bullish. So we know that with this information, fundamentally we are bullish. So what would I like to see when I'm looking at live price action? Well, I would like to see price showing me an SMT divergence, which is what we're about to get, right? Which is what we are about to get over here, and then we can see price expanding higher. Now what I like to do these days, because I'm running my hedge fund, is that I don't want to be focusing on, you know, the full pulls. I want to be making consistent profits every single day, right? Because sometimes you will see that price will go and then it will come and hit you at break even. At worst, it will hit you at stop loss. So what I'll do then is, I'm going to, for example, right, let's take a really good example. If this is my breakout candle here, okay, and if this is my entry level here, okay, I'm going to keep my buy over here. I'm going to keep my stop loss around here, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the standard deviation of my stop loss, which is basically the risk to reward tool, and I'm going to keep my take profit at 3 standard deviations. There. This way, I can consistently pull out some good cash for the hedge fund while also generating my investors really good money. Okay, so this is the current setup that I am actually in at the moment. Okay, so that is all that I have to say, right? So what we have over here, again, we use the same approach. We are using a top-down approach, right? So here's how it looks like. So I'm going to draw it nicely here. All right. Here. All right. So what do we have? We have fundamental. So trade easy. Trade easy fundamentals. Then we have breakout. Actually, we have fractal SMT. Then we have inducements. Then we have entry. Boom shakalaka. And that is the end of it. And that is how we get profitable setups very, very, very easily. Alright. So now guys, if you are interested in getting Trade Easy, as you know, a lot of the Trade Easy waitlist members are going to have a lot of perks. Right. So what are these perks? So let me show it to you guys. We're going to go to finservcorp.net and then we're going to hit up the Trade Easy waitlist. And you can see that all Trade Easy waitlist members, right? You can put your email over here. All Trade Easy waitlist members, they're going to have access to the beta testing phase, right? For free at no extra cost, guys. No extra cost, right? So you're going to get early access, skip the public queue, skip all that shit. You're going to be able to start using it now. So if you join the waitlist now, you're going to start using it now. Simple as that, right? And when you do sign up for the waitlist, what you're going to do is you're going to get an email with your discount code and your referral code, and you can use this discount code at the end of September when we officially launch the platform, right? You can have your own username, password, etc. You can use this every single day for the rest of your goddamn life. All right, and you'll also have 30% launch discount. As I mentioned, you're going to be having 30% launch discount. You're going to be having 30% off for the rest of your life on Trade Easy. You're going to get the price action algorithms at no additional cost, which includes my bias algorithm and my entry exit algorithm, which is on TradingView. And you're also going to have access to my premium Discord. So once Trade Easy officially launches at the end of September, my Discord community is going to be active as fuck. So if you're going to join, be sure that you join through the waitlist, because that is literally your early access pass to all things Trade Easy. And you're gonna be having your fucking edge in trading fucking finally. Trust me on that. Just believe it. Alright? So this is all that you'll see, right? And you can see these are the reviews from the beta testers that we're hosting right now over here. So you can definitely go to finservcorp.net/ or just go to finservcorp.net and select Trade Easy waitlist and join. The link is going to be down in the description below. So with that said, I hope you guys found this insightful. And what was the entire point of this video? The entire point of this video was this. So be sure you focus. Be sure you join the Trade Easy waitlist. Be sure, if you want to stop fucking strategy hopping and trying to understand the secrets of the market, this is the way. Once you have this, secrets of the market, insanely easy. Just simply come and join my one-on-one. Alright, so with that said, good luck and good trading. Bye bye.